Get you the latest in the Pegasus row. The Wire, in its latest report, has claimed that top security personnel also figure on the list of potential targets. The Wire report has claimed that two serving colonels who challenged official policy, a retired intelligence officer who took RAW to court, and two serving BSF officers also figure in this list. As per the report, KK Sharma, former head of the Border Security Forces, also figures in this list. Now, as per the Wire, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's personal assistant VK Jain figures on the list of potential targets. Jain handled most significant files, in fact, in the Delhi government office. The Wire report claims that a senior ED officer, Delhi Chief Minister's personal assistant, and officials at the Niti Aayog and Prime Minister's office were also on the list of potential targets. Well, meanwhile, the Bengal government has formed an inquiry commission to look into the Pegasus reports. Justice Lokur-led panel will be probing the alleged spyware misuse. Remember, the Bengal Chief Minister's nephew and TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee's number is reportedly in this list of potential spyware targets. This comes in just ahead of the Bengal Chief Minister reaching Delhi today to meet key opposition leaders.
Well, if you see the list closely and the developments taking place so far, there is the report suggests that definitely there is a pattern to it. The opposition, the journalists, and all those officials who are there, there is a pattern in how their numbers have been have cropped up in that list. Of course, it is still not established whether the snooping took place in these numbers or not, and that is basis the government. The government has defended its stance. In fact, in Parliament, in a written response, also government has completely shrugged off any kind of involvement in the Pegasus project and has said that it has got no information about Pegasus. The opposition continues to mount up the pressure on centre. Today we have seen the disruptions in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This is the second week of monsoon session, and yet today morning we saw Rahul Gandhi on tractor supporting the farmers and protesting against the farm laws. It was anticipated that the attack on the government on the Pegasus episode may get a bit sidelined, and the focus will now turn on the farmers issue, but that hasn't happened. The opposition is demanding a probe. Meanwhile, in West Bengal, we have seen an independent panel being constituted, and Justice M.B. Lokur is going to see in this matter. How are the states going to investigate it? That remains to be seen. But for now, the centre has maintained its stance that they have got no role in the entire episode, and there is no probe as of now that is going to take place from the centre side.